Hello, this is your girl Muta from Muta's Soul Kitchen, and today I am sharing one of the easiest recipes. So delicious, so moist, you will absolutely love it. Sugar-coated donut holes and made with simple ingredients. So without further ado, let's get started. In a large skillet at low heat, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I am using, I can't believe it's not butter, but feel free to use any butter available to you. Add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, 1 cup of evaporated milk, stirring as you go. I am using 2 tablespoons of condensed milk as my sugar replacement, but feel free to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. Because I am coating these donut holes with sugar, I like to make my dough a little less sweet. If you wish to add a little extra sweetness inside, then add extra 1 tablespoon of sugar or condensed milk. Stir until milk has completely melted. The sauce should be thickening a little bit and should be super creamy. And of course, your kitchen should be smelling so good. Okay, at this point, add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of cake batter, stirring lightly until well combined. Of course, it's best to beat eggs separate for even mixing. Complete making this creamy sauce by adding 1 packet of rapid rise dry yeast. Continue mixing and stirring until well combined. The next phase of this delicious process is to prepare the dough. So in a large mixing bowl, combine salt and 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. With clean hands, mix well to combine. Using any plastic wrap or any lid, cover the dough and let it rise. Duration of time depends upon the type of yeast you use. So it took an hour for my dough to rise. Start kneading and transfer dough to a flat surface. Just makes it easier to work with. Continue kneading until dough is light and smooth. Sometimes the dough becomes sticky, so it's okay to dab some flour on your fingertips. That way it becomes easier to mix. Once the pastry dough is nice and smooth, knead and fold to create a ball-like shape and neatly place it back into the mixing bowl. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. It should double in size by then because the yeast continues to act. The pastry is ready and good to go. So light and so fluffy. Transfer it back on a flat surface and cut it into small equal parts. Just makes it easier to work with when shaping the donut holes. Now, one piece of pastry at a time, start creating small round shapes by simply rubbing pastry between your palms. At medium heat, deep fry donut holes until golden brown. Make sure to taste the temperature of the oil before you start frying, that way pastry doesn't soak it up. In a Ziploc bag or brown bag, add half cup of sugar and drop in all the donut holes. Shake well until all have been coated. You can serve these donut holes hot or cold depending on your preference. Enjoy with a cup of tea. And thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button. That way you won't miss any new recipes posted every week. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Mother's Soul Kitchen. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.